Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to update assigned address on Capital One. To start, go to the website at capitalone.com. Then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Beside it is a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow beside your profile. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Profile. Click on Profile. Next, you will see here a section for your addresses. At the bottom part of the screen, you will see two options. Click on the option that says Update Assigned Addresses. A pop-up window will then appear. On the field provided, you will see a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow to see the list of your addresses. From the list of addresses, click on the address you wish to assign as your primary mailing address. Then click on Save. That's how you update your assigned address on Capital One. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.